Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new traveler in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see three lines there. Press on them. After doing so, you should press here your name. And here you should press the second option, which is Manage Traveler. And you can see here that I don't have yet any traveler in my list, and if I want to add a new traveler I have to press obviously the new traveler option. After doing so I have to select here that if that person is an adult or not. I will leave in this case as an adult. The title, I'm going to leave it on Mr. The name, I just leave it at Nick, and here Nicholson. The date of birth, I just select it by scrolling here. The nationality, the passport number, which is going to be some random number in this case, the passport expiry, the passport country, the ID card number, the ID card expiry, and the ID card country. After everything is done and selected, all you have to do is press the save option down below, and with this information a new traveler was added into the list. So this is all about it. This is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.